Hello and good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Herbies Garage. Today we're on the 1996 Yamaha Wolverine 350 4x4, and I'm working on the plastics. I'm still waiting for some parts, so I thought, well, I'm gonna go ahead and start making it look a little more pretty. So I'm gonna show you the progress I've made so far, and then that's just on the back, and then on the front, I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate what I did to make the plastics look better. And I'm only going to use two products. And these are the two products I'm going to use. This is Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and I'm going to use water too to put it in and to use it on with. But also this Meguiar's ceramic detailer. So these are the only two things I'm going to use. I'm going to show you what I've done and what I'm going to do, and then we're going to get started. All right, this is what I've done to the rear fenders on the Wolverine. It's looking pretty good. It cleaned up really nice. But this is what the front looks like. They're kind of dingy, and I got a bunch of dirt stains, and I have pressure washed it, and I did scrub on it some, but it just doesn't want to come clean. It's really kind of dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did to bring it to life. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I just have a pail of warm water and my magic eraser. And it takes a little bit of scrubbing for this stubborn stuff to come out, but it does come out. And it brings the color, the white color, back really nicely. I'm going to scrub this little area here, then I'll wipe it off and I'll show you the difference. All right, now I'll wipe it off. Now I'm going to use some clean water to really clean it up good when I'm finished. But I just want to show you what it looks like real quick after you scrub it a little bit. Not only is it cleaner, but it's brought the white back because it's kind of dull and dingy and stained. I still need to scrub this a little bit more, but I'm going to go ahead and work on this, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. And if you do this on your four-wheeler, grab you a few of these because they do wear out. I think on the back I used two, and I bought a 3-pack is what I showed you for the front. I think this magic eraser has a mild abrasion to it. It doesn't really scratch. It just cuts through that very first dull, dingy layer and brings back the shine and the color and gets rid of all that nasty dirt. take that seat off so I can get in here a little better. I'll go ahead and go over the emblem too. It'll kind of clean that up a little bit as well. But as you can see, it starts tearing, and because it gets all those sharp edges and it snags on them and stuff, so that's why you need a few of these if you're going to do this. And these plastics do get kind of, you know, when you go through woods and you get scratches on it and stuff, it does have like little raised area from the scratches and that catches on the pad and ends up ripping it. And the stuff smells good. I think they use Dawn dishwashing liquid, is what it says in it, which helps cut the grease and the grime and stuff like that. Okay, now I'll wipe it off. Okay, now I'll wipe it off with a wet rag. And I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I'm probably going to go ahead and clean this a little better, but I just want to show you this just for demonstration purposes. We'll go ahead and put a little bit of ceramic on it. I'll probably take this back off once I clean it again because I've only done one cleaning. I'll probably do another. to make sure I get it all good and clean. Okay, there's the front after doing one cleaning. You can see a huge difference in it. Not only is it cleaner, it's whiter. It's got some of that dull dinginess out of it. And here's a side by side. Here's kind of a side by side of it. I haven't cleaned the center section yet or this fender. I've only done this fender here. And you can see a huge difference in it already. All right, I'm going to continue working on these fenders and get everything nice and clean and pretty much spotless. And you'll probably see this in future videos if you want to see what it looks like completed. Probably have to watch 1 or 2 videos in the future on this bike, because I'm going to finish my repairs that I have for it. I don't have a lot left. I'm getting closer to the end. But I want to show you this now of how I clean these plastics, because when I do kind of my reveal, whenever my ATV is completely done and I do a walk around on it, I want you to see, you know, what it looks like now and what the process it took in order to get it to that point. So if you want to order these off of Amazon, I'll leave a link in the description, or you can find them at Walmart or your local store, whatever. But I'm telling you, this makes so much easier to clean, and it does such a fantastic job. Makes it look really good, and I think it'll last for a long time. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I appreciate you coming along, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and leave me a comment. All right, talk to you later.